SMCI stock analysis, it is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this very short 1-minute video. Well, generally speaking, just looking at super microcomputer stock, I have seen like a 7.5% correction with this in my. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with the most proof documented, and just coming back even lower. You can see that, yeah, I've talked about this before. It was sell side, it was long side. And the main thing that I'm waiting was a double break confirmation, which in this case, I'm still yet to see. You can see even like from this demand area, we're just not even holding that level. And I'm just updating this, but unless there's like a proper shift here, then there's just no way that I'm going to photo look to force, right? Because forcing just never worked for me, at least, right? And again, I'm saying this with having made 39,000 videos in the back pocket, in the back, right? So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.